Brought to you by Agilus Diagnostics. Agilus Diagnostics.
Does your brain age as you age? And is 25 the new cutoff point for adulthood? So while we age, our bodies age too. But one fact that most of you still find it very amazing is how our brains also change with age. Let me tell you what exactly happens. What happens when you cross 40-year milestone? To know about this, we will also be joined by an expert who will tell us about the changes our brains go through over a period of time. Let's first get to what age is the cutoff point for adulthood based upon brain aging. Is it 18 or 24? And do women's brain appear younger than men's? Let's find that out. I'm sure you've heard that we should give teenagers a break when they make really dumb decisions because their brains aren't fully developed. Is it true though? And is 25 or 18 the magical number when everything up there clicks? Well, the human brain is a lot more complex than many people think. The 2013 paper notes that the brain continues to grow and change for a long time. The notion that brain development is not complete until near the age of 25 years refers specifically to the development of the prefrontal cortex. It's part of the frontal lobe, sometimes referred to as the rational part of the brain. This region is responsible for cognitive control and inhibition and is slower to develop. Adults benefit from a well-developed prefrontal cortex, allowing them to better execute skills that require learning, focus, and memory. So in truth, not 18 but 25 might be an average, but in real life, the prefrontal cortex timeline of development is going to vary significantly between individuals. And it's very unlikely science will ever be able to come up with a one-size-fits-all timeline for brain development. So let's get the gender part of it. How does the brain age vary with gender? Theorists have predicted that females generally might have more youthful brains than males. For the new study, the researchers analyzed PET scans of 205 adults, all cognitively normal. The researchers compared participants' actual ages with their metabolical brain ages to see whether each brain was younger or older than expected. And upon using the machine learning technique, they found that it typically guessed a slightly younger age for women than their actual age. This tells us that sex has an effect on how the brain ages. Female brains are determined to be metabolically younger than their chronological age, though this difference between actual age and the metabolic age was relatively small. So when we take a closer look at men's brain, studies suggest that men may experience a faster decline in brain volume as they age, particularly in areas related to cognitive functions like memory and executive processing. But this does not mean that men are destined to forgetfulness. They can engage in regular mental exercises, staying socially active, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle can really help them. As a woman's brain experiences a slow decline, but they are somehow more susceptible to developing conditions like Alzheimer's disease. Why is that so? Researchers believe hormonal changes, especially during menopause, play a significant role. To find out what happens when both men and women are above 40, here our expert in neurology who will tell you about brain aging in detail.
Today, through this video, I'll discuss very important part of our life, that is aging, and that too brain aging. So as we all know, as we grow older, our body ages, our skin gets wrinkles, the hairs get graying. Similarly, our brain also age. So there are changes in the brain which we see as we age. So by the age of 6 years, the brain attains 90% of its volume of the adult. But as we grow old, by the age of 30 years, 40 years, it starts showing the signs of aging. So it has been seen that after the age of 40 years, 5% brain volume, brain mass gets lower down every decade. So brain में कुछ neurons होते हैं जो after a certain age they start showing the reduced functioning, जैसे learning, memory, cognition. But कुछ ऐसे neurons भी होते हैं जो ज़्यादा वर्क हार्ड करते हैं आफ्टर द एज ऑफ 40 ईयर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द रिपेयर, द ऑक्सीडेटिव स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट, इन्फ्लेमेशन रिपेयर, जो न्यूरॉन्स हमको प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. सो देखा गया है कि ब्रेन के जो डिफरेंट एरियाज होते हैं उनमें इस एजिंग का असर आता है. And we do find difficulty in managing the complex tasks, complex calculation, mental maths, and daily multitasking. So brain में frontal lobe होता है जो this is a big lobe, largest lobe, which is very important for emotional and behavioral response. Then there is a hippocampus, which is important for learning and memory. So as we age, the functioning of these organs get affected, and we do find difficulty in managing the complex tasks. Similarly, brain में is a white matter. The myelin sheath, the nerves get affected, and we do find difficulty in cognition and executive function. The neuron transmitters density, the number goes down, and similarly it affects the cognition. So yes, the brain starts showing the signs of aging by the age of 40, the middle age. As we know, in the middle age movie syndrome, we tend to forget the words very easily. The naming difficulty may starts coming to us. So yes, our body ages, the brain ages. So how can we prevent it, and how can we maintain our brain in the same state? We can preserve our brain for longer time. Yes, we can do it by having the healthy habits and healthy lifestyle. So it is very important to maintain our body in a good health so that our brain also remains healthy for a long time, and we do not find these difficulties after a certain age. So very important to have a healthy diet, good hydration, stress management, and daily exercise. Daily minimum 30 minutes of exercise. It prevents our body from having all these issues. Diet is very important. Get a regular checkup of your blood pressure, your sugar, your cholesterol, because these factors, when they are not in good control, they cause ischemic damage in the brain. The brain neurons, they start affecting because of these factors, and they show the signs of neuronal loss. So it is very important to keep your blood parameters, your blood pressure in good control. And similarly, avoid smoking and alcohol, because these factors again impact our brain, our neurons, they get affected, and our memory, cognition starts, we have start feeling the difficulty. So it is very important to have a good healthy lifestyle and avoid the unnecessary bad habits, and maintain your brain in good health.
Thank you, Dr. Khushbu Goyal, for sharing such fascinating insights into the human mind. Well, that's it for today's episode. Keep watching FitTat.